Hi everyone, this is Wayne. Hunters, you have a limb saw? You have one like this? This is the Gerber. This is a fine piece of equipment. Um, I've had others over the years. I remember when the folding. I'm so old. I remember when the first folding limb saws came out, big and bulky, and I mean folded. They were that long. But this is great, and I'll include a video here just showing it rip through some tree limbs, and it really does a number. I think you're going to like it a lot. Now watch this video. Okay, pretty good, right? It's got a push button release on it to let it unfold, locks, and then press to fold it again, so it's safe, and that's a good thing. It's a Gerber limb saw. Oh, comes with a second blade also. So you're never without. Hey, thanks for watching. Go ahead and get you one. I think you're going to love it. Bye now.